Here is a planning how to plant and grow plants in a small space, and what can you use if you don't have certain things. Like we are using this bucket, so you can use your buckets, you can use some sacks. So these are limes. It's growing well after we brought from nursery. So these fruits were not there, like limes were not there, but now there are so many coming up, and we are doing transplantation. And this one is our second one. So this is the mixing what we did. So if anyone wants to grow in a small space, then do tag us or do comment. We can share you some ideas.
We mixed red soil 4 portions, 2.5 cow manure, and then cocoa peat 2 portions.
So this is all mixing is happening inside the house, because in city or in apartments you don't have lot of spaces, especially in apartments. Then this is the way you have to sort out. So here everything mixing is done. Then we kept some cloth down so the floor doesn't get dirty, and these are all kept ready. So we have only this much space, okay, over here. And in that space we are planning to plant some lime, some oranges, some, and here is our moringa. So that we brought from IKEA, that pot. It was a dustbin, but yes, used as a pot. We made holes and all. And this is rosemary, and this is some flowers which is seasonal, all over you can get. So we put 3 plants in one pot so that they grow nicely. So many more, and this is what we did over here in this space, what we got. So whatever space we got, we are using it.
So this is Kagzi Lime. It's pretty good, very tasty, and very small ones you get. See here. So the skin also is very good and thin, and it's nice for the zest is really good of this. We got lots of limes. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have already removed previously 6 to 7, and there are more coming over here at the side. So we'll be transplanting, repotting this into a bigger bucket, and hopefully we'll see a better yield. So we've put it. Now we'll just top it up with some nice mud. This is all mixed well with cocoa peat, cow manure, red soil, and some sand.
So if you are all lovers of plants and you are thinking about your space in apartment or anywhere, you don't have to worry. Where there is will, there is a way. So in a small space also you can do whichever veg or whichever fruits you like. Try and grow it, and you will be very, very happy like us, like how we did in our home. back at home, and we got the fruits and we are enjoying the fruits. So y'all also try. Thank you. Devare Kuru.